Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue that many Windows 11 users have been facing. Windows Update Error 0x80070103. If you've been stuck with this error, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to fix it and get your system back on track. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what this error means. This error usually occurs when Windows Update tries to install a driver that's already up to date or incompatible with your system. It's common after a major Windows update or when you're trying to install optional updates. The good news, it's fixable. All right, let's get into the fix. Pausing and resuming the update process can sometimes clear out any glitches or conflicts that are causing the error. Once you resume the updates, Windows will recheck for updates and attempt to install them again. Click Pause for a week, and then click Resume Updates. If the error was caused by a temporary glitch, this simple step should resolve it. If the error persists, don't worry. There are additional methods we can try. Sometimes the best solution is to manually update your drivers. Here's how. Visit the hardware manufacturer's website, e.g. NVIDIA, Intel, or your PC manufacturer's support page. Download the latest driver for your device, install the driver, and restart your computer. Manual updates ensure you're getting the most compatible and stable version of the driver, which can prevent this error. You can check for the updates that are failing in Windows. Update history. Copy the update name that is causing the error and go to the Microsoft Update catalog. You can paste the update name from your update history into the search bar, then click Download to download the update. After the download, you can run the installer to manually update the driver. Sometimes simply restarting the Windows Update service might help you to resolve the install error in Windows 11. So open the services window and right-click Windows Update and click Stop, and right-click again and click on Start. You can also use the Windows Update troubleshooter to help resolve this error. Click on Other Troubleshooters, then click on Windows Update. This tool will help you diagnose and repair issues with Windows Update. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Another common cause of install error 0x80070103 is corrupted or missing system files. To address this, you can use built-in Windows tools like SFC, System File Checker, and DISM, Deployment Image Servicing and Management, to scan and repair your system files. The System File Checker SFC tool scans your system for corrupted or missing files and repairs them automatically. I will not run the command myself. It takes a long time, so you have to be patient. The other command you can run is DISM. If SFC does not solve the problem, tool repairs the Windows system image and can fix issues that SFC cannot resolve. And that's it. These fixes should help you resolve the error on Windows 11. If one method doesn't work, try another, and you should be good to go. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.